Recording in progress.
Believe or not, this is the 14 weeks already, okay? We are going to do the last part for the triangle similarities. Okay. In a triangle, if two of them are similar, the corresponding side will be proportional. When you draw the attitude, if this guy and this guy, they are relative to the corresponding same base, then this altitude will also be proportional, which means you have AB over EF equals BC over EG equals AC over EG, also equals BD over EF, okay? Angle bisector. When you have this guy split these two angles into two equal pieces, this guy split these two into two equal pieces, then this guy over this guy will also equal this guy over this guy, okay? As long as, number one, two triangles are similar. Number two, you are talking about the same corresponding angle. You cannot see this guy over this guy. No, you have to put the angle bisector at the corresponding angle, okay? The last one is median. You have two triangles similar. Your median ratio also equals to their size, corresponding size ratio, okay? Now, we will, based on the conclusion over here, to do some questions. Christina, can you please tell me what equation I can write down here? First, let's write down the proportionality. Go ahead. ST.
ST is 16.
ST over.
ST over DE.
Equals
TU over EC.
Equals
SU over DC.
Very good. This is the proportionality. Next, as what we mentioned over here, you can also see equals to SW over DF, okay?
Okay.
And then let's pull them over. You want to choose which one? This guy, right?
16 over 20.
Okay, 16 over 20 equals
we don't know TU over EC.
So look, ST is 16, DE you put 20, and we don't need to worry about those things.
Oh.
We are looking for X. SW is X. And DF is 15, right?
Yeah.
That's it. Can we simplify? They are both on the bottom. Let's go ahead and simplify. These two numbers, how do I do? Go ahead. This two. This two on the bottom, you can simplify. This divided by 5 is how much?
4,
The other guy?
3.
3. So 16 over 4 equals x over 3. This is 4x equals? How much? You can do one more step. X over 3 equals 16 over 4 equals 4. So x equals how much, Christina? 12, right? Hello?
Yeah.
Which part make you not able to solve it? Which part? You want to do cross multiplication?
Yeah.
You can do a cross multiplication, but I want you to do it in the smart way. You do 20 times x equals 16 times 15. Look, I don't want you to do this times this. It's too slow. We do the simple way. X equals 16 over 16 times 15 divided by 20. You can also do the simplification here. 15 over 5 is how much?
3, 4.
And then 16 over 4 is?
4.
So? Does
X.
this make sense for you now?
Yeah.
Okay. This will also work, okay? But if you are not comfortable with this way, you can do this way. Next one. Clear. Let's see number 2, please.
Triangle GH is that GHI is similar to MLK.
Go ahead. Write down the proportionality first, okay? Go ahead, please.
10 over 8 is equal to.
Let's, based on this, first write down the equation. Okay, go ahead.
GH over HI.
We do this, GH over
Oh, yeah,
M.
sorry, L, and then HI over LK, and then GI over MK.
Equals GI over MK.
Yeah, I said.
And also, this guy, GI is corresponding to MK. So this altitude will also be proportional, correct?
Yeah, so JH
So,
over LN.
so
Or HJ over LN.
okay, now you want to plug in. This guy is HI, so we put X here, you know?
Yeah.
X over who?
14.
Very good. Equals? This guy.
Yeah.
How much?
10 over 8.
Yeah. If you want to do this way, we simplify. If you don't want, you can do the cross multiplication. You want to do which way?
I was going to simplify 14
Sure.
and 8.
Sure. Let's do it.
So
This
7,
guy divided. This guy.
4.
Okay. Next step.
And then you can do that further with 10 and 4.
Sure. This guy.
Is 5.
This.
2.
Next.
So then you cross multiply.
2x equals?
2x equals to 35.
X equals?
35 over 2.
17.5. Correct?
Yeah.
Okay, very good. Now, number 3. Henry, let's do number 3. Let's write down the proportionality first.
AB is equal to EG.
AB over
EG. BC over GF. AC over EF.
There you go. Who else?
That's all.
The corresponding angle bisector. Let's write one more.
DC over FH.
Okay. Now, let's plug in the number.
Um, 24 over 32 equals X over 38.
So AC is this, right?
Yeah.
So we put 38 over EF is who?
X.
Equals
32 over 24.
okay. Can you please simplify?
Which one? The 38 or
Uh,
32?
Yeah, you can do this. You can also do this. We can do this
Oh.
first, okay?
3 over 2.
Because this guy
30.
divided by how much?
Oh, wait. Oh, 32. 4 over 3.
Very good. One more step. You want to simplify here?
Yeah.
Good. Go ahead.
19 over 2. I mean, 19 and 2.
19 and 2. Now, last one. Cross multiplication.
2x equals 57.
There you go. X equals how much? 20.
28.5.
28.5. Thank you. Last one. Kathleen. Go ahead and let's do number 4.
PQ is equal to, similar to UT.
Or PQ over UT equals
QR over TS.
good.
PR over US.
Okay. Who else? The altitude also. Yeah, we can write down the numbers now.
Oh, okay. 12 over 15.
Very good. And we want to find out X. X is PQ, right?
Yeah.
UT is how much?
$42.
Okay.
QR is
We don't need those. We just get here.
Oh, all right.
Let's do the simplification. Go ahead, please.
42 over 2 is 21, and 12 over 2 is 6.
Hey, hold on. When we do the simplifications, both on the right, you can do it. Both on the bottom, you can do it. These two numbers,
Then
you cannot do this. This is dangerous. The relationship is multiplication. It's not a ratio. You cannot cancel their factors. No. Let's do
40,
here.
42, you can divide it by 3. That's 14. And the other side is 4 over 5.
This is 5, correct?
Yeah. And the top is 4. Yeah.
Top? Oh, yeah. No, that's all. You cannot further simplify. We have to do cross multiplication now, correct?
Yeah.
Okay. So
12
5x,
times 14 is,
look, we learned this before. 12 is 13 minus 1. 14 is 13 plus 1. 13 squared minus 1. 13 squared is 169. So this is 168.
168.
Yes. Okay. Yeah. Rather than writing down this way, we can figure out this quickly. Okay. X equals to 168 divided by 5. Show you one more trick. If I divide by 5, I want to, 168 times 2, how much?
336 over 10.
Yeah, so there you go. Make sense now?
Yeah.
I think doing this way is faster than doing that way, Okay. Oh, next one. This question is a little bit of challenge, okay? This question is a little bit of challenge. So this question is checking if you have your algebra and foundation ready. Christina, let's go ahead and write the proportion.
So KY over BL and then YC over LH and then KC over BH.
Okay. Next one. One more.
Oh, 20 over X
Sure.
minus.
Yeah, you can write down that.
Oh, okay.
20 over X minus 5. Yes?
Yeah.
Who else do we know? YC. Oh, YC is here, right?
Yeah.
2X minus 9 over LH is how much?
15.
Equals
20 over X minus 5.
okay. Everybody, look at here. Pay attention. This is a place where it could cause trouble. If you say, 15, 20, easy. Divide by 5, 3. Divide by 5, 4. Then 12 equals this. No, it is wrong. If you do this way, you are saying, look, I'm going to show you over here. 15 over 20. This is 12 over 16. you can say this guy divided by 4 is 3. This guy divided by 4 is 3. It's divided by 4 is 4. This divided by 5 is 3. Divided by 5 is 4. So this equation A is correct. Then you simplify all the way on the left. You simplify all the way on the right. Your equation is still correct. It's still valid. What will happen if you only simplify the top and the bottom? Still 4 same number. 15, 12. 15 becomes to 5. 12 becomes to 4. 20 and 16. 16 over 4 is 4. 20 over 4 is 5. This equation is still correct. Some people say, no, I want to try this way. 15 over 20, 12 over 16. I want to cancel these two guys. 12 over 4 is 3. 20 over 4 is 5. So after you're doing simplification this way, you are saying 15 times 16 equals to 15. Not possible. Where does this trouble come from? Come from this. You couldn't do the simplification in this cross line direction. That is wrong. Okay? You can do on the left, you can do on the right, you can do both on the top, you can do both on the bottom, but you cannot do the cross way. That's the wrong way. Okay, so we are up to here. Claire, go ahead, you do next step. Sorry, I cannot hear you.
Cross multiply.
Go ahead. So, what next step? You tell me.
So that would be 2x squared. Minus 19x.
Very good. Very good. You can do this in one step. Very good. Minus 10x, minus 9x, minus 19x. That's good. Next.
Plus 45.
Minus
Minus 300.
one more line, please.
Minus also 2x squared minus 19x minus 230. Oh, sorry, 45. 55.
All right. When we come to here, how do you solve for x?
Good factor.
Let's go. What do you want to put here? Let's observe this number first. Okay, when we do this cross multiplication way, before we run this, we have to do some preparation. Look at this number. 2 plus 5 plus 5 equals to 12. 12 is divisible by 3. So this number is?
Divisible by 3.
Yes. The last number is 5. So this number is?
Divisible by 5. So it's divisible by 15.
So, okay. So this is 5 times how much?
5 times 51.
51 is 3 times how much? 17. Yeah, at the beginning, we don't know how do we do those combinations. but we can try. We can put 5 here, 51 here, and we need to keep in mind this product is negative, so we may have a negative here or negative here, okay? Do you think this can give us this number? Not possible, right? Clear? Answer my
Sorry.
question.
No.
So this will not work, right?
Yeah.
This will not work. What else you want to try? This we already denied, okay? Go ahead, try here.
15 and 17.
How much?
15 and
Fi-
17.
15 and 17. You want to give which one to be negative? How much?
Negative 13.
Oh, this is wrong again. What else can we try? Can we switch?
Yeah.
Let's switch. What else
Yeah,
do
that
we
would be
want
right.
to?
That would be
Which one you want to put a negative?
right. 17.
Yes. This is
Negative 34.
plus
15.
equal.
9.
So columns for x, columns for constant. This is who? 1x minus 17. This is
2x
plus 15, right?
Yeah.
Excellent. This is awesome job. X equals.
17. Is it 17?
If you want to choose negative 7.5, you notice that this makes this
impossible.
negative. So you say, hey, thanks, but no thanks. Yeah, this guy has to go, okay? So x equals 17. Does this question make sense to everyone? Please ask me question, okay? If you have question on any places, please ask me.
Can you explain like the factoring process?
Factoring process, okay. All of you is going to take the PSAT very soon. This is for sure in the test, okay. Step 1. This column, product, equals to this guy, okay. X squared coefficient get taken care here. Not just this number, but also same negative or same positive. If here is negative, you have to take care of this negative also, okay? This is step 1. Step 2. These two guys, products, match the constant term. You cannot say, I'm going to just make this as positive. No, if this is negative, you have to make this guy to be negative. That's step 2.
How do you
steps.
think of the numbers for like a big product?
So let's go back to the previous step when I walk through with Claire. What we did here, we don't know this answer at the first time either. Okay. Maybe some genius do, but we don't. We look at this number. We want to find out those factors by using number sense. 2 plus 5 plus 5 is 12. 12 is divisible by 3. So this guy is 5. So it's going to be 5 times 51. 51 is 3 by 17. I have those different combinations. And then I'm going to try each of them. I tried the 5 and the 51 at the beginning. If I make this to be negative, this is 10 minus 51. Not going to have this, no. If I try 51 here and 5 here, doesn't matter, I put a negative on which number. I still cannot match to that number. Okay. So I deny this. So I think I have to try this way. Because look at this. 19 is not a too big number. So you shouldn't choose those big numbers here. Those big numbers won't be able to give you the combination result of 19. You already tried. So 15 and 17. 15 and 17, you can try 15 first, 17 here. And this is 30, this is 17. If this is 30, this is 17. If the question is a negative 13, then that's the correct combination. But this is 19. You don't give up. You say, I'm going to put 17 here and 15 here. And I try. Wow, that's working. Okay. So that's called step 3. Cross multiplication, addition. Match that number. Okay. Not just this number, but also the negative thing. If you put here as positive, here is negative. This is positive. That's not correct either. Make sense now? Did I answer your question?
Yes,
Kathy?
thank you.
Okay. Thank you for asking. Now, all those questions are similar. I show my work. I don't think it's hard enough. Here, I want to explain something over here. Even though at the beginning, we explained that those altitude angle bisector medians is still going to be proportional as long as those two triangles are similar and you are talking about the corresponding altitude or corresponding angle bisector or corresponding median. But why? Here is the proof. Okay, I show you the proof. For example, let me call student to work with me together. Harry, let's do this one together. These two triangles are similar, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Look, I'm going to hide something. And then I'm going to ask you the reason, okay?
Okay.
All right. So we feel curious. Why, if these two are similar? And then we say, hey, this guy over this guy is going to equals to this guy over this guy over that guy. And let's prove, okay? Can you please read this? And then go ahead.
LJK is similar to PQM.
Okay. This is because given. This, go ahead, read it.
JL over PQ equals LK over PM.
Because you remember I always say similar triangle corresponding side are proportional, okay?
Okay.
Okay. And we also have here, look, LK over PN. LK over PN is equals to, let's do the 1/2 for both, okay?
Okay.
Yeah, LK, you times a 1/2 and 1/2. This equation is still correct, right?
Yeah.
This is correct is because of multiplication property, okay? Yeah, you times the same constant, equation is still right. 1/2 of LK is who?
LM.
LM. 1/2 of PN is who?
TP. I mean OP.
Okay, so equals this, correct? Now, this two equal, this two equal. I jump this to equal because A equals to B, B equals to C.
Transitive.
Yes, you made it. Good job. So you got here. Now, look at this. JL over PQ equals to LM over OP. Do we know these two angles equal? Yes.
Yeah.
Look, they said these two triangles are similar. This angle and this angle are corresponding angle, right?
Yeah.
Right. So they are equal. Make sense?
Yeah.
Oh, now look at this. You have JL over PQ equals to LM over OP. At the same time, you have this angle equals this angle. What will happen? What's the next step? These two are similar triangle. They are similar because of
Given.
hold on.
Oh,
Let me
the
show.
reason?
Hold on. Let me show you. Okay, let me pull out the guy which you learned about 2 weeks ago. Let's see. We did over there. We look at the guy there. Yes.
SAS.
Yes, good job. SAS. Because number one, you have this side over that side equal this side over that side. So you satisfy the SS. Number two, you have this two angle equal. So SAS. You know?
Mhm.
Does this make sense now?
Yeah.
Now, when you prove these two triangles are similar, your corresponding lines will also be proportional. In this triangle, you say JM. In this triangle, you say OQ equals JL over PQ. Make sense now?
Mhm.
Okay, that's it. That's why for two similar triangles, when you draw the same corresponding median, it's going to be also proportional. This is the proof, okay? Now, Harry, can you finish writing the equation? Who over who?
JM over OQ.
Okay, JM over OQ equals,
JL over PQ.
let's go ahead, plug in the numbers, please.
X over 42.9 equals 30 over 39.
Can we simplify this guy?
Yeah.
Go ahead.
10 over 13.
Now let's cross multiplication. 13x equals
429.
Do you know that number?
33.
That's 33. Very good. You have number sense foundation. Next one. Let me see if there's some harder questions. Okay. All right. Yeah, we haven't tried this kind of question yet. Let me go through this. Catherine. Number one, go ahead, read the question, please.
The ratio of the measures of the angle in a triangle is 8 to 3 to 4. Find the measures of the angles.
You know the ratio, but you don't know the angle. So you say, how about we call 8x, 3x, and 4x? Okay. Their sum
Okay.
equals
180.
good. Next step.
You would add them all together. So 15x equals 180.
Okay. X
And
equals
180 over 15 is 12.
good. So each angle will be
So one of them will be 96, another will be 36, and the other will be 48.
there you go. Thank you. Let's do the next one. Christina, number 2. Read the question, please.
The ratio of the measures of the sides of a triangle is 9, 12, 5. If the perimeter of the triangle is 130 feet, find the measures of the sides.
So you do 9x, yes,
Yeah.
12x.
And 5x.
What will happen?
You add them together, equals 130.
Yes, go ahead.
26x equals 130.
Hold on. 21 plus 5, 26, yeah. X equals? How much?
5.
There you go. Thank you. Complete all the sides. Go ahead.
The first one is 45. And then it's 60 and 25.
Does this make sense now?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. PSCT like to ask this kind of question. Let's do. Claire, let's do number 7. Go ahead. Claire, can you hear me?
If triangle DEF is similar to triangle JKL, find KL.
Mhm. Yes.
So, yeah. So DE over JK is equal to EF over KL, which is equal to DF over JL.
So 10 over
10 over 25 is equal to x plus 11 over 6x plus 3.
Can we simplify first?
We can simplify. We can divide 10 by 5 and get 2. And then 25 divided by 5 is 5.
Okay. Next.
So then we cross multiply and we get 12x plus 6 is equal to 5x plus 55.
Okay. Next.
So 7x is equal to 49. X is equal to 7.
Good job.
So then we
Very
just plug it into KL. So
Sure.
6 times 7 plus 3.
Equals.
45.
There you go. Okay. Yeah. Very good. Harry. Let's do number 9. Go ahead. Based on this, let's list the equation, please.
NK over LZ.
And K over LZ equals
KF over ZF.
KF over ZF. Yeah, now we can use this to list the equation. Go ahead, please. Oh, one more. Yeah, one more. Sorry, one more.
NF
This.
over LF.
Okay, yeah. Let's find out who is KF. KF is how much? Given, right?
X plus, yeah.
Okay, X plus 3. Over? ZF
4.
equals?
15. I mean, X plus 18.
Yes, plus them together is X plus 18. But here, okay. Hold on, let's see here. KF is X plus 3. This is 4. And then we do here as what? X plus 18, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Over
x plus 3.
Yes. Now we have here. We cannot do any simplification. Some people say, teacher, this will be canceled, that's 6. No, that's the wrong way. Yeah, we cannot do that kind of simplification. This is wrong. We can only do those simplification if this guy, and then we say x over 3 plus 6. This, you cannot do the simplification. You can only do the cross multiplication for here. Make sense?
Okay.
Let's go ahead and do the cross multiplication.
4x
We can write down
4x plus 72.
4x plus 72. And this is x plus 3 squared, right?
Yeah.
Look at this. Look at this. Who is this guy?
x
This,
squared
x squared, yes.
plus 6x.
Yes, good. That's the guy I'm looking for. Plus
9. Oh, equals 4x plus 72.
Let's move around.
X squared plus 2x minus 63.
Can you show me the cross multiplication method?
1 and 2.
Here you do 1 times 1, right?
Oh, yeah.
How about here?
Negative 7 and 9.
Oh, that's perfect. Because when we do this cross multiplication, this will give us a perfect answer. 9 minus 7 equals to 2. So this layer means what? This layer means what? Who is this guy? What? 1 times x minus 7, right?
Yeah.
The second one,
X plus 9.
there you go. So this is x minus 7 times x plus 9 equals 0. So x equals 7, right?
Yeah.
Negative 9 is not possible because we cannot allow the negative. Yeah, this part won't be negative. That part won't be negative. That's the answer. NF. Let's finish the last step. NF. Go ahead. NF equals.
NF equals 25.
NF equals to 18 plus 7, which is 25. Good job, you made it. Very good. Let's see, is there any other hard questions? Oh, let's try a proof question. Yeah, Kathleen. Let's read this question, please.
PS bisects RST.
Okay.
2SP equals 3SQ. 2ST equals 3SR.
Good. So what we put here?
Given.
Okay. Read the next one.
SP over SQ equals to 3 over 2.
Because
Division property.
Yes. Next.
2st equals 3sr given.
Good. This one.
Division property.
Yes. Copy it down, okay? There. Now, what do we do?
3/2 equals to 3/2.
So this is because,
Transitive.
very good. So look, here is the way we work out those questions. At the beginning, we were given this. So we copy down this. When we copy down, we have to push something. So we got this conclusion. After here, we don't know what else we can do. We start to copy down the next one. Again, we are going to push forward to this. This 2 is going to equal. So these 2 together gives this. And then we check. This is our conclusion. So this will be the last step. Remember here, we already proved SP.
Would you have started with PS by 6 RST?
Yeah, we can also do that way. You know, we can also do that. Doesn't matter. You can also switch the order, actually. Okay, I'm going to take your suggestion. I'm going to do this, okay? Because this is not on real paper, so I can moving around. Actually, you gave a good suggestion. So I'm going to push down over here. So in this way, we start with the first given condition. Very good. You can read and say the reasons, please.
PS by 6 RST because given.
And then that's the first condition. We cannot, oh, I should move this up also, you know, that's fine. So if you learned computer science, you know, this is like a stack. So we want to pop up this one, okay? Imagine if this is writing on the paper, you have to redo everything, but this is on the apps. So you can move around. All right, good. So this is given. This 2 equal. What should I write down here? Definition of
Similar triangle.
angle bisector, right?
Oh, yeah.
Now, we finish using this condition as a yellow one. And we finish using this pink one and green one. Now, we satisfy that this angle are the same. And this guy over this guy equals this guy over this guy. So which theorem support this? Which one?
Side angle side.
Yes, there you go. SAS. This is a perfect SAS. Very good. That's it. Good, very good. All the students are doing great today, okay? I'm very proud of you. I'm going to upload the homework. So this is
For homework, is it all the pages?
I know all of you have a lot of homework from your school. So if possible, finish all the even numbers, okay?
Oh, okay.
Yeah, because right now you have quiz, test, projects, so I totally understand. Finish the those even numbers during holiday when you have time, covers all the other questions to fully master all the questions. But I do suggest all of you, for example, when you see those hard questions that we did on the class, I suggest you, even that one is not an even number, still do it, okay? In that way, you master the skill I teach you. For example, this one, number 9, is not an even number, but I want you to work on the blank worksheet, finish this number 9. And the other one is this guy. This is also odd, but also do it because that's 2 examples showing you the Algebra 1 important foundations. Okay, yeah, that's for today's class. Everyone doing very good. I'll see you next week.